What's up, guys? How are you? I I talk about how to increase views on YouTube. Then I'm making you step by step guide increasing YouTube view. Step by step guide. Step one: choose the right video idea. Choose a topic that people search for. Check Google Trends or like YouTube search bar to see which keywords are popular. Step two: create a catchy title or thumbnail. Keep the title short and clear with a keywords. Write a 2-3 words in large letter in a thumbnail plus use attractive image. Step 2: 3. Improve the quality of the video. Provide fun for value in the first 15 seconds to retain the viewer. Keep the video short, 5 to 8 minutes. Work well for beginners. We're using a background music, substituting increasing views. Step 2 to step Step 4: do SEO search engine optimization. Writing 200 but 230 word in the describe, give a text example, education, Bengali, cartoon, funny video, etc. Say the video, like, the comment, subscribe. Step just 5: share video, share Facebook group, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok. Give the link of the related belong to the website. Step contact to edition, favorite, comment, use polls, community post, text the question to videos that people comment, and maintain the continuation. Upload at least 2 to 3 per week. The regular YouTube algorithm will suggest for the video more people. If you liked this video, your view was and subscribe will gradually increase.